So in this particular tutorial I'm going to discuss what is Zoom and how to use Zoom meeting on desktop. So step-by-step explanation is given in this particular tutorial. Zoom app, it is used for meeting as well as you can use for online teaching. So at the same time the many people will join and you can see their faces, you can talk with them, they also talk with you. So that is nothing but what is the Zoom meeting. Here I will show you how to download the Zoom app and how to install it and how to use it. So type the Zoom. So this is nothing but a website from where you can download the Zoom app. So click on download. Now this is the version for Zoom client for meeting. Download it. It will start downloading. It is 12.2 MB. Now after downloading, suppose this is the Zoom installer, you have to double click on it. It will take some time to initialize. Now this is Zoom cloud meeting, so you can join the meeting or you can sign in. If you are host, you have to sign in first and then you can send the link to the other people. Sign in directly. If using Google, you can sign in. Choose an account, so you can choose the account. Now type the password. Now it is redirecting to the Zoom page. Now you have signed in. So for verification you have to confirm your date of birth. So you have to put the date of birth for confirmation. After confirmation of that particular birth date, it will create the account on the Zoom. Create account. Okay, open Zoom meeting. This is nothing but a GUI of the Zoom. So there are various options. So new meeting, join, schedule and share screen. New meeting means you can create the new meeting. Join means you can join to the meeting which is created by other person. Schedule means you can schedule for the some next day, or you can schedule the meeting. You can share the screen on the Zoom. Whatever you are doing on the screen, that will be shared. So those are nothing but the 4 options available here: new meeting, join, schedule and share screen. Now here is the home, then it is chat, then it is meetings, then contacts. So those are the contacts available: meeting, chat and contacts. Now suppose I want to create the new meeting, so you can click on this new meeting. So this is the new meeting I have created. Now with this new meeting I am the only one person. If you are seeing the participant, I am the only one participant here. You can share this particular meeting ID with other participant. So how you can share it? So here is the meeting information. So this is the meeting information: meeting ID, host, who is the host, password, what is the password of the meeting, memory password, then link, this is the invitation link, then participant ID. So you can copy the link and you can send it to the other people who are going to participate into it. So this is nothing but a link you can send. In this meeting, this is nothing but audio, this is the video. You can start a video. Now it is camera is not connected, so it's unable to detect camera. Okay, then you can chat, you can share the screen. Suppose I want to share the screen, and click here. And what are different types of screens you can share? You can share the complete screen, you can share the whiteboard, you can share iPhone, iPad, you can. So those are nothing but the applications. So single application also you can share. So if you want to share the Google, Chrome, the other application which is running, there are advanced options. So you can share only portion of the screen, or you can share only music or computer sound only. Now here you can share the various files from Dropbox, from Microsoft OneDrive, from Google Drive or Box. Files also you can share. While sharing the screen, if you want to share something audio also from computer, so you can put share computer sound. It is optimized screen sharing for video clip, so you can select this option also. So I'm sharing support the screen, so share. Now this screen is shared where you can do the various things, and that screen is visible for the end. You can pause the share, you can stop the share. Annotation you can have. Suppose annotation, I want to show annotation. Now suppose I want to show this is the file, then you can select it. I can select it. Text, you can put the text. So this is my screen. So you can put the annotation also. You can draw some diagram on it. Wherever, whichever application you are opening, at that place you can draw. Stamp, you can have that. Then spotlight, arrow, then spotlight. This is the spotlight. Eraser, you can erase it. Then format, then undo, redo, you can clear all those things, clear all done, you can clear it, you can save it. So those are various options in annotation. In more, you have chat, you can record it, there is meeting information, disable participant annotation, and so on. Now I am stopping the share, click on stop share. Even you can end the meeting. So this is the meeting, I want to end it. While taking the meeting, you can record the meeting with the Zoom. So this is the record option, you can record, click on this. So the recording will be saved at the place given in the setting. You can stop, you can pause the recording, you can stop the recording. Also you can put reactions. I'm stopping the recording. Now I'm ending the meeting. So you can end the meeting. So end meeting for all, or leave the meeting. So end. So this is the file which is stored as a saved one. So you can see this, you can right click and you can open it through DLC. So this recording is saved. Now the thing is join. This join, click on this join. So here you have to enter the meeting ID. Already I have shown what is the meeting ID. While in new meeting there is a meeting ID created. So this is meeting ID. This is meeting ID. You have to put that meeting ID whichever shared by other person. So you can put that meeting ID personally. Then you have to put your name or display name. If you want to connect audio, you want to turn off my video, you can put that checkbox, turn off video, and then join. Another option is schedule. So you can schedule the meeting for, suppose I want to schedule it for tomorrow. So schedule, you can write the topic. If suppose topic is lesson 1, when I want to schedule it on 15th, so I can select it. At what time I want to share 11:30. What is the duration? It's 45 minutes. Then Zoom having this is free version, so it is 40 minutes limit. Meeting ID, it will generate automatically, or you can use the person ID. So I am generating it automatically. Then password, this is the password I'm sharing with the people. Then video, host, on or off, participant, calendar, you can use the Google Calendar where you can have that meeting, or calendars. Now advanced option, you can enable the waiting room so that people will wait until host will join, and host will give them right or accept them. You can have the enable join before host also. So if you click on this, then the people will join before host. Then mute participant automatically, you can keep that mute because there is a noise in between, so that you can mute the participant. Then automatically record on local computer. If you put this, then automatically the meeting will be recorded and on the computer. You can schedule it. Okay, this is scheduled. So meeting has been scheduled. So this is the detail of the meeting. You can have that particular thing. You can copy to clipboard, close it. This is the meeting I have scheduled. So this upcoming meeting. So I can after scheduling also you can edit. So here is the available. Then you can copy invitation. Invitation has been copied. So I can compose this. I can send it to, suppose I'm sending to that person. Zoom meeting. Paste. Complete text for the Zoom meeting. So you can send this meeting ID, password, join meeting, then topic, whatever things. So you can send it. So this is the first way to send this invitation. You can send this invitation through WhatsApp also. You can copy it and you can paste it so that the person can join over the app, over the mobile. Then this is the time 12:22 PM. So you can change the this particular photograph. Also there are various settings in the Zoom. So here is the setting, all the settings in Zoom. You can click. So general setting, video setting, audio setting, share screen, chat, virtual background recording, profile, statistic, keyboard shortcuts, and accessibility. So in general, start Zoom when I start Windows. Then remind me 5 minutes before opening meeting. Enter full screen automatically. So you can select it. Regarding video, you can have 16:9 wide screen. Then meeting, always display participant name. Then audio, you can have the mic, check the speaker. You can check the mic. Then share screen. Enter full screen, side by side mode, enable remote control, the chat. So those are the chat related. Virtual background, you can have the virtual background in the behind of you if you are using the green screen. I have green screen. Okay, if you have green screen, then and then only that background will be better. You can add your own images. Then recording, in this recording you can have local recording. So this is the path of recording. So here you can have the recording. This is the location. Then profile, you can edit your profile. Then statistics. So Zoom, this is the statistics. You will find audio, video, share screen. Then keyboard shortcuts, you can put the keyboard shortcuts also. Those are the shortcuts available, that is switch to gallery view, goes to front view, stop video, settings available in the Zoom. So you can set according to your requirement. So I want to delete this meeting, so you can delete it. Yes, now this is about Zoom. You can sign up for this. You can click here, you can put the steps available, do not disturb and things. You can have the personal note also, my profile, then you can sign out. This is nothing but use of Zoom from login to log out.